Okay, so this pattern calls for a multiple of 6 plus 4. So you will chain 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 until you reach your desired width. Then you'll add 4 chains. So we're going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And do another double crochet. Chain 1. And then do 2 more double crochets. So the next stitch is going to be 2 double crochets together, but we're going to there's a gap between them. So you're just going to yarn over, and in the next chain you're going to do your okay. I recommend that when you do the chains, do them loose. That way you don't have issues like I'm having to get the hook through. So you're going to, do a incomplete double crochet, if that makes any sense. You're gonna leave 2 loops, then you're gonna yarn over. You're going to skip 3 chains, and then in the 4th, you're going to complete the 2 together, like this. Then in the next chain, you're going to do your 2 double crochets. My dog is snoring. This is typical for almost all the videos that I've recently made. He's always snoring. Okay, so you're going to do your 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in that same stitch. Then in the next chain, you're going to do your your double crochets together. So then skip 3 chains. Skip 3. And then pull through all the loops like that. So again, you're going to go to your next chain and do the 2 double crochets on the same chain. 2, chain 1, and then 2. So that is the foundation row. And again in the next chain, you're going to do the 2 double crochets together, skip 3 chains, and then complete your double crochet. Okay, so I will finish this and I'll meet you at the end. So once you're coming to the end, you're going to end in the 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochet stitch. So you should have 3 chains left. If you have extra, you can always undo this and adjust it. I think I have an extra chain. I probably got an extra chain by mistake. So you're going to skip 1 chain, and then you're going to do 2 double crochets together. So in 1 stitch, and then the next stitch, you're going to do the other one. And then you're going to pull through all the loops. Okay, so row 1, you're going to chain 3. Then you're going to skip this double crochet and do a double crochet on next. So here in this chain 1 space, you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets. So next you're going to do 2 double crochets together, but it's going to start here. And then you're going to jump all the way to here, to this. So you're going to jump all this, and you're going to jump this double crochet, and you're going to finish the 2 double crochets that are together in this one. So you're just going to yarn over, jump all the way over here, and then finish your 2 double crochets together. Then you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the chain 1 space. And that's going to be for all the rows. It's a 2-row repeat, so it's really easy. So then again, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do 2 double crochets together, so it starts the next double crochet. Then you're going to jump all the way, skipping this double crochet. You're going to finish it here, or join them here, I guess. Join it and pull through all the loops. And again, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then another 2 double crochets there. And again, double crochets together, then jump all the way, skipping this one and then going in here. And then again, in your chain 1 space, do your 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and then 2 double crochets. Okay, so then to finish, you're going to, let me see. Oh, yeah, then you're going to do this. So you're going to go into this next, this next double crochet. Leave your 2 loops and then yarn over, and then here, somewhere here on this turning chain right here, you're going to do your, complete your double crochet. So it's the 2 together. Okay, let's see. So that's row number 2. So row number 3, you're going to turn, and you're actually going to slip stitch into this next, right here, this first double crochet right here. You're going to slip stitch. Then you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to do a double crochet in the next double crochet, and then again in your chain 1 space, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. And then you just start over again. So here again, you're going to do your 2 double crochets together. You're going to jump all the way to this double crochet right here. And do your, okay, that didn't work. And then again, your 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and then 2 double crochets. And that's it. That's row number 3. So again, the next double crochet, jump all the way over here and do your 2 double crochets together. And then again, you're going to your 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and then you're going to do the 2 double crochets together again, finish, and then when here you're finished, you're actually going to do, a 2 double crochet together. So you start here and then you finish here. You finish this and I'll show you real quick. Okay, so here you're going to do your, oh, okay, it looked funny to me, but okay, so that you're going to do your 2 together. So you start here, and then you're going to jump all the way over here to the chain, to this chain, I guess it's called a turning chain, and then complete your 2 double crochets together like this. And that's it. That's row 3. So row 2 again, you're just going to chain up 3 and then jump, do your double crochet here, and then continue. And that's it. That is the pattern. So look a little, you know, it's like it's a lot of work, but actually it isn't. So it's one of those patterns that you can just sit back and relax and crochet away while you're watching a movie, a TV show, or an audiobook maybe. So anyway, please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.